Well, here's the finished product of my ALIExpress digital clock. I haven't gotten the time set up yet, but I just wanted to show you. I put the case on it. The whole thing's about 3 inches by 1.5 inches, and nice case there. If we look around on the back side, you can see everything in there. Little vent for a speaker. There's a little vent there. That might be a light sensor for dimming there, or temperature. I don't know. It's possible there, so not sure. But anyhow, yeah, there it is. There it is. Okay, we're going to have to try to set the time. And I have my doubts that this will keep accurate time, because another clock I built from AliExpress gains about a minute every day, and there's no way you can compensate for that. Okay. Well, I set the alarm clock for 10:10, so it's 10:09 now, so I'm just going to let this run, and hopefully it will sound the alarm. There are 3 different tunes I could pick from. There it is. All right, now I don't know how to turn it off, so it's one of these buttons. Let's try this one. And it worked. And it came out to the date, which was January 31st. Now we're back to 10:10. So, okay. Temperature-wise, still in Celsius only, and it says you have to calibrate it, but doesn't say how to calibrate it there. So I'll have to do more research on that. But works pretty good. Well, I played around with this thing for about a half hour, and let's see, I think I got the right time. And it's going to give me a temperature in centigrade. I tried to calibrate it, and then if I click it again, it's going to give me, it's 11:21 in the morning. It's 22 centigrade. And I don't know what the 11:02 is, but year is 2025. It's 11:21, 22 degrees. I don't know what this one is. There was one that's supposed to be counting down minutes and seconds. So that's, I don't know where I got the 11:02. There's 11:21 is the time. It's the and there's, now it's 11:22 and 23 seconds. It's counting down the seconds. No, it's 11:22. All right. What are we doing here? I don't know. This thing's crazy. 22 degrees centigrade. It's January 31st, the 5th day of the week, which is Friday. And anyhow, I don't know. There's supposed to be, I don't know what some of those other numbers are, but at least it's got the right year, the date, the time, and I hope the alarm is not a recurring thing, and I hope I have the chimes to come on every hour. I had that earlier, but I don't know. I fooled around with it so much. And the instructions are, not really good. I tried to find a video that I had online, so there it is there. Okay, that's it.